Hi everyone, welcome to my third installment in my video series, okay? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to stake pools, so let's get started. You should all be quite familiar with your dashboard by now, which you can see I'm on. So you click on the wee share buttons and you just go down to pool options, and in here you can see your current staking validity. If you've got pooled, you see exactly how many days your pools are remaining. So that gives you plenty of time to either automatically restake or manually restake. So we're just going to start with pool one. So in pool one, you can see you have all this information in here. It's a good idea to read that on any of the pools just to familiarize yourself. And a word of warning, if you say you were 3, 4, 5, or 6, you'd stake those pools. Always check to make sure that pool 1 and 2, etc., the pools below, are staked as well. Otherwise, if they are not staked, then all the others become defunct and you're not getting paid for them. Okay, so always check the pools below your highest pool are staked and up and running. Right, so let's start. We'll just use pool one. You click on add to cart. You go up here to view cart item, one item. And down here you can see we have a total 30 days stake, 250. You go to checkout. Down here you can see please select a payment method. Now you can use your Visa tokens, which we advise doing because you get a 20% discount. But if you have a coin payment account, you'll get a 10% discount. So just use whichever suits you. So we'll go into Visa tokens, and here you can see the final price, $2 or 0.0209, etc. That's a 20% discount. Market value at the moment is $95.63, and then you would just click on confirm order. I'll do that just now because it won't do any harm. And up here it will say, do you want to confirm your order using Visa? Yes. Order has been placed successfully on the order ID. And then to place another order, you would just refresh your page. Go back to We Share Abundance, your pool options, and you would just repeat these steps all through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, however many pools you could afford to stake. And that's how simple it is, guys. Okay? Right, that's that video for now. In fact, let's just go double check because I have my orders. You can see there it is, order amount 2, Visa. Okay, and I had those set on auto renew, and the next lot I've also got set on auto renew. Let me just show you where to go for that. You go into settings, and it's below your profile, and down here choose your option for renewing your subscription. Automatically renew your stake for the next month at the current level, or not make any automatic payments. Now if you check that one, then please keep an eye on what I was saying about pool options up here. Keep an eye on, wait a minute, I need to go into the dashboard. Please keep an eye on how many days are remaining in each pool, okay? Because say you were at pool 6, if any pools from 1 to 6 were had run out, then you would lose any earnings for pool 6 because they all must be running at the same time. Okay, guys, that's it for now.